Whoa!
Canadian car owner Jack drives through a construction section in Montreal. Sharp stone slashed Rolls-Royce gust air shock absorber airbag. With the sound of his air leakage, the car sank rapidly. A $1 million luxury car is instantly lying on the side of the road. Fortunately, the owner has seen our video. Just drive the car over and let us fix it. Let's see how we can repair it with high quality. If you think the repair skills of our master are good, can you give us a like? Thank you for your support. The shock absorption is almost fixed here. The owner expressed his gratitude before leaving. Gave us a good tip. Do you think we deserve it?